Hi. In this new tutorial, I will show you how to make an engraved effect in Photoshop. Let's start. First step, import the image on which the effect will be applied into the project. You can then easily replace it. Create a new solid color, use white color. Rasterize the color layer or convert it to a smart object. Now we can create the filter for this effect. Go to Filters, Filter Gallery. Select Halftone Effect. The settings I recommend are: Size, set to 2. Contrast, set to 30. Pattern type, set to line. Create a new effect layer. The settings are: Size, set to 2. Contrast, set to 10. Pattern type, set to dot. If you want, you can rotate the file and adapt it to your image as I did. Before applying the filter, create a gradient map. You can use the colors you want, as long as the first color is the darkest. This effect is available on my Gumroad page, link in description. Set the blend mode of the filter to hard mix. To enhance and modify the effect, you can use two filters. You can create a gradient map with a black color and a white color. You can add a brightness and contrast effect. With these two levels, you can adjust the final effect. If you want to change the intensity of the effect instead, you will have to create a new empty layer. Using the brush on the empty layer, with a very low flow, you can add or remove the effect. The white brush allows you to decrease the hardness of the effect, until it is completely erased. This layer must be between your image and the effect. Using a black brush, you can add the effect in the parts of the image where it is missing. If you want to edit the edges of your image, to mix it with the background, as in my case, you can add a layer mask to your image and change the borders. Or, use the eraser tool on the image. Thanks for following me to the end. I hope I was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, I would be very happy.